What's up YouTube, it's your boy James back with another video. And today we're going to take a look at a Babe Ruth Nike Cooperstown Edition jersey. Now there is no denying that Babe Ruth is one of the most recognizable names in all of baseball history. The era in which he played and the statistics that he put up in that era made him an absolute legend. And all these years later, people still talk about him like he's a god. Now this particular jersey that we're looking at today has a retail price tag of $135. I purchased it from Nike.com on sale for $105. And currently at the time of this recording, the jersey is still on sale for that price and there is all sizes available. So in today's video, what we're going to do is I'm going to unbox this jersey. I'm going to do a full detailed review, I'm going to hit you with an unbody, and then I'm going to leave you with my thoughts and opinions on this Babe Ruth Nike Cooperstown Edition jersey. I'd like to welcome back all my returning viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching another video. But if this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is James and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. And if you all could take a moment out to destroy that like button for me, I would really appreciate it. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video and you don't miss anything. So when I was browsing the Nike website and I came across this jersey, this was something that I was very interested in because I've never actually seen a Babe Ruth jersey for sale at a retailer. Now I don't live in New York or anything like that, and I actually haven't been looking for Babe Ruth jerseys, so you know what I mean. But to me, this was the first one that I ever saw for sale that I could actually pick up. And then when I saw that it was on sale for $105, you know, that was like a no-brainer to me. I wanted to get that in my collection because Babe Ruth is an absolute legend. But the jersey has just arrived and I do have it right here. And it does have a retail price tag of $135. But like I said, I got it on sale, so let's go ahead and start opening this up and see what we got inside this bag. And there's no tissue paper or anything. It's just a jersey. You got that classic Yankees pinstripe. BAM! And whether you're a Yankees fan or not, you know, if you're a baseball fan or a sports fan, or you just like to get Hall of Famers, you know, jerseys in your collection, then a Babe Ruth jersey is probably something that you're interested in. And whether you're a Yankees fan or not, you can't deny that the Yankee jersey is iconic. I mean, the pinstripes, the NY, I mean, this is one of the most recognizable jerseys in all of history. But now that I got this jersey out of the bag, let's go ahead and take an up-close look and review this Babe Ruth jersey. Alright, so here we're going to take our first up-close look at this Babe Ruth jersey. So starting here inside of the jersey on the neckliner, you're going to have your tagless heat press size tag. So you're going to have your Nike logo there on the left, your size there in the middle, this is a size large, and then you're going to have that Cooperstown collection logo on the right hand side. And this jersey is made in Indonesia. Now moving on to the right hand side of the jersey, on the chest you're going to have this Nike logo. Now when you touch it, it does feel like it is stitched, but it is heat pressed. And then on the left-hand side of the chest, you're going to have this New York Yankees logo that is heat pressed into the jersey. Now, when you look at it, it looks like it's threaded, like you can see like stitching on it, but it's just made to look like that. It is 100% definitely heat pressed. Now, the tags that you'll have attached to the jerseys, you'll have a Major League Baseball player alumni tag, a standard fit tag, and a Cooperstown collection tag. Now, on the other sleeve attached, you will have that suggested retail price tag of $135. So you do get that classic Yankees pinstripe design, and it is a button-down jersey, so you'll get buttons that go all the way from the top to the bottom of the jersey. And then on the bottom left-hand side of the jersey, you're going to have this Nike jock tag that is heat pressed that says Nike Cooperstown Collection. Now inside of the jersey, you're going to have your laundry tag, and this is made in Indonesia, and the whole jersey is made from 100% polyester, which in my opinion is better than the recycled polyester that they put on cheaper jerseys, like the NFL limited jersey and stuff like that. So I do think that the 100% polyester is definitely a better grade. Alright, so now we're moving to the back of the jersey. Now at the top of the jersey, you're going to have your Ruth lettering, and as you can tell by the detail, it does appear to be stitched, and they do a good job of making it look that way, but it is also once again heat pressed. And then right below the name, you're going to have that iconic number 3 that Babe Ruth made famous in his playing career. And once again, just like the lettering and the logos on the front of the jersey, this is heat pressed. So this is the first Babe Ruth item that I have in my collection. And he's an iconic player, a Hall of Famer, you know, somebody that we'll be talking about until the end of time. So I'm really glad to add this to my collection. And, you know, it is a cheaper jersey. You know, it's not, you know, a Mitchell & Ness Authentic or anything like that. You do get all heat press lettering and numbering and stuff like that, but it's a super cheap jersey, you know, what do you expect? But overall, the quality's not bad for being cheap. But let me go ahead and throw this on and show you what it looks like on body. Now when it comes to this Babe Ruth jersey, I really do like it. It retails for 135 bucks, so you are getting all heat pressed logos, letters, and numbers on this jersey, but it is not meant to be an authentic. You know, this is just a cheap replica, something that you can get for the low and add it to your collection. Now this jersey is kind of light. It's not the heaviest jersey in the world or anything like that, but it's meant to be worn in the summer months, you know, during baseball season. So, you know, a lighter material will help keep you cool when it's hot outside. Now when it comes to sizing, I recommend going true to size. So whatever you typically wear in t-shirts or other jerseys, you know, go for that size. So if you always wear a medium, buy a medium in this jersey. Now I like to have my jerseys kind of like on the baggier side, so a little bit of extra length, and I always buy large, and I bought a large in this jersey as well. But I want to know what you think. Comment down below and let me know if this is a cop, is this a pass, is this dope, or is this trash? Comment down below and let me know what you think. I would like to thank you all for stopping by and watching this video. Thank you for all the support. And until next time, peace.